What's going on, guys? So this is going to be my first time using the SL500. I'm going to see if I can put the top, or up rather, it's down now. So let's see what happens. I think I'll push it this way, right? Okay. It looks, wow. I've never seen the top. Hopefully, okay, everything looks, oh, it's rusted. Oh, shit. All right. So far, so good. Got a lot of stuff falling on me, but I guess that's expected. All right, check it out, guys. Oh, beautiful. It has the tan top too. Perfect. All right, let's look it up inside here. All right, look at that. Got this. Let me step outside and see. Oh, okay. This is I guess those are supposed to be the cushions. Doesn't look too bad in here. The top looks brand new. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Ooh, I lucked out on this baby. This baby looks brand new. Needs cleaning though. All right, let's see. Let's see. This is beautiful. All right. Does that work? Oh wow. Okay. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. Oh man. Oh, okay, shit. Well, okay, there's a rip here. This is I don't know where that's from though. It might have been from rats where it was kept, because the top looks really good. Other than that side, let's see. This side is perfect. Oh, same thing on that side. So I guess it's just from being kept in there all this time. Look at all the rat poop. First time pulling the top. This is great. All right, guys. I see one of the this came off my foot, but now look at it. Asleep. Nice. Beautiful. Like and subscribe for more as I take the journey with the SL500 drop top and the CLK 500 drop top.